Hey guys, how to remove any Android virus? First of all, make sure to delete any third-party app. So downloading from a suspicious website or platform that that's not a Google Play official or App Store official, you have to delete the basically app immediately, right? Because you could compromise your private information and your in your safety, really. So make sure to go to any app that you feel like, or any app you downloaded from a third party website, and make sure that you delete them. Next, what you're gonna do, go ahead and update your security. Go ahead to the settings, and if you're using Android or iPhone, just go ahead to the software update on your phone and make sure you updated your phone to the latest version in order to update your security. That will help you prevent any future risk to your account. So basically, make sure to update your security, delete any third-party apps, and also make sure you update any app on your phone, right? So make sure to go to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure you updated the specific apps that you might feel that could risk a potential hack, right? So if it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any other platform, basically you have to update them constantly in order to update your security and protect you from any future hack. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.